How to deposit or withdraw on Trust Wallet. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to deposit or withdraw using the Trust Wallet. So Trust Wallet is an Ethereum and cryptocurrency wallet that facilitates buying, selling, storing, and exchanging BP2, ERC20, and ERC721 tokens. So let's open the Trust Wallet application, and this is how your wallet dashboard looks like, displaying your total assets and the token in your account. To add tokens, tap on the icon here, touch or scroll to find the tokens you wish to add. I'll add Filecoin and Dash tokens. Once added, they should appear on the dashboard list. Next, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw on Trust Wallet. Select the token for the deposit or the withdrawal, and here you will find the option to send, receive, copy, and buy. To deposit through the credit or debit card, click on the buy to directly purchase the token, and for depositing from the external wallet, tap on receive, where you can scan the QR code or copy the address. You can share your token address through this share button, and to withdraw tokens, tap on send, paste the external address, and enter the amount. And Trust Wallet also features, as in the app, decentralized exchange for the enhanced liquidity, reducing market during the token exchanges. Tap on the text to swap or to trade tokens, and you can choose the trading pairs from the market. Another way to handle the deposits and withdrawal is by using the send, receive, and buy buttons on the wallet dashboard. Simply search for the desired token in the search bar, and in my experience, Trust Wallet has high transaction fees, which may deter some users. So I recommend exploring the alternatives like Celsius and Swipe Wallet for free withdrawals. So that's it for the video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.